Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics Day Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 4. And our today's topic, chapter 12, C.B.Q-1. This is lesson number 44. In this class, we will solve one C.B.Q from chapter 12. At first, I am reading the question. Here the question is, in a village, there are 5 doctors, 3 engineers, 4 advocates, 12 businessmen, and 16 service holders. A number question, what does data means? B number question, find the number of total professionals. And C number, make a table of the professionals using tally marks based on the given information. Dear students, now we will solve. At first, we will write the answer of a number. Here the question is, what does data means? Data means number based information. That means any information related to number. Any information related to number is called data. Now we will write the answer of B number. Find the B number question. Find the number of total professionals. Here 5 doctors, 3 engineers, 4 advocates, 12 businessmen, and 16 service holder exist. So we have to add 5, 3, 4, 12 and 16 for finding out the answer of B number. Total professionals is equal to 5 doctors plus 3 engineers plus 4 advocates plus 12 businessmen plus 16 service holders. Now 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. 28 plus 4. This is equal to 32. 32 plus 3 is equal to 35, and 35 plus 5 is equal to 40. And answer of B number question will be 40. Answer 40. Dear students, we have solved A number and B number. Now we will solve C number. Here the question is, make a table of the professionals using tally marks based on the given information. Here some information given, we have to make a table, and in the table the professionals using, we have to use tally marks. In this table we will use total 3 columns. One column for name of the professionals. Name of the professionals. Another one column, number of professionals. And another one column for tally marks. Number of professionals here: doctors, then engineers, then advocates, then businessmen, and last one, service holders. Now in the question, how many doctors exist? Total doctor 5. Doctors 5, engineers 3, advocates 4, businessmen 12, and service holder 16. Now we will fill the column of tally marks, and now we will write 5 using tally marks. At the time of giving tally marks, for 1 we will give 1 line, straight line. For 2 we will give 2 straight line. For 3 we will give 3 straight line, and for 4 we will give 4 straight line. Here 5 exist. For denoting 5, we have to cut these 4 stick diagonally. Then this symbol indicates 5. Now we have to indicate 3 using tally marks. For indicating 3, we will give just 3 straight lines, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to indicate 4 using tally marks. For denoting 4 using tally marks, we have to give just 4 stick, 4 straight line, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to denote 12 using tally marks. For denoting 5, we can use this symbol. That means at first we will give 4 line, then we have to cut this 4 line diagonally, then this indicates 5. Now again we will give this sign. This also indicates another 5. That means 5 plus 5, total 10. Now another 2 we need. For denoting another 2, we will give just 2 straight line. Now total 12 indicates it. 5, 5 and 2. 5, 5, 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Now we have to denote 16 using tally marks. For denoting 16, we will give this symbol 3 times. Then 3 5s are 15, and another one we have, for another one we have to give another 1 straight line. That means 5, another 5, another 5. This indicates 15. Now we need another one. For another one we will give just a straight line. This indicates 16. Okay, we have filled the tables. Dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.